Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can take screenshots in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. All right, so let me open that example tab here. And it works the following way, guys. You either use the print key on your keyboard. You can do that, for example, to take screenshots of your entire display. However, if you'd like to take screenshots of specific areas of your display here inside the Waterfox web browser, you can do that by simply right-clicking and by selecting Take Screenshot. And after that, you will see that tool here opening up. So simply navigate to the area you would like to take a screenshot of and use your mouse, hold your left mouse and drag a rectangle like this to make a screenshot of the area. Release your left mouse and select either copy, download or cancel if you don't want to take the screenshot. You may download or save it in a specific in your folder in JPEG or PNG file format. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to take any screenshots. So that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.